In a previous video, I used the chart below to replace metric prefixes with powers of 10. Eventually, though, we may wish to convert from one metric prefix to any other prefix. So this demands a little bit more rigorous technique than simply replacing the prefix with a power of 10. Here are the steps. First, we want to know how many places away on the chart is the desired unit from the given unit. This will be the number of places that the decimal in the number needs to move. So let's say I'm going to convert 1 kilometer to a number of meters. So we're going to start here. This is what we have. And then we'll end with the base unit of just meter. This is what we want. So how many places apart are they? 1, 2, 3 places apart. All right, so we're going to want to move the decimal 3 places. Is the desired unit smaller or bigger than the given unit? So if we check out on the upper left here in the chart, I've written that the left side of the chart represents larger units and the right side represents smaller units, which means that a kilometer is larger than a meter. So what does this mean in terms of balance in the equation, in the conversion, right? It means that the unit itself has gotten smaller. So as it says in step 3 here, examine the balance. And if the unit gets smaller, then the number must get bigger to compensate. So we'll want to move our decimal to the right. We're starting off with 1, so we'll move our decimal 3 places to the right, giving us 3 zeros. And our number gets bigger. So the final answer is 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. In this case, we can confirm that actually from the chart itself. Right here it tells us that the definition of a kilo is 1,000 of that unit.